import a tenant from a zip file, first you need to click into the active subscription you want to work on in the ZAIP Partner Portal. Then click Import Tenant. Today we're importing a zip HANA file, so we're going to click on SAP HANA. This wizard will prompt you through. You can attach a contact or add a note, and then add the file here. Now the file is uploaded, you can click Create Tenant. And now the import has completed. You can see that this is completed because the import demo share folder is here. And if we click on Edit SAP Tenants, the import demo is here as well.